that we are living in India. So why is English so important for us? Why we are not able to get good job without speaking English? As our upbringing has been developed in a way where all our families speak most of the time in Hindi. So we are very fluent in Hindi rather than English. But nowadays, the trend has been developed a lot. Lifestyle has been changed. It's been very modern. And all of us just showing ourselves that we are very good in English. Why I will give you chance if you are not good in English. So everyone just want to show off. But yeah, somewhere English genuinely very important. We should give priority to this language. So you must try to speak English with me. Even I will try to enhance myself, explore myself by speaking this language with you, by making such a short videos. I will use some words. You will have to notice those words which I use during my conversation. Even you can also see these words by going through these videos descriptions. And if you want to get good job or achieve something good, you will have to show your desire toward English language rather than you are good in technical skill or in any field. But this is very important. Truly, I'm saying this is very important. So be ready to prepare yourself to speak yourself with me. Thank you so much for watching my video. Even thank you for those who are not watching my videos, or who will somebody also will give hand down to my video. So it doesn't matter for me. The purpose of to make this video is to make you aware. English is now being an important language in our life. English is taking so much importance. People are using this word to achieve something good in their life. And the people who are not using this language in their life, they are not able to succeed as much as they want. So my motto or my goal is to make this video to make you aware. Those who are not using this language, or those who are thinking that my work will be gone smoothly if we rather than we are not using this language. Let me tell you, most of the MNCs company, and since then COVID has been started, people are taking interviews on telephonic, and firstly they are checking your communication skill. So until you will not impress them elaborating every project you have done, they will not going to take you in their organization. So you should be perseverance, dedicated toward your English language. You should be intended to use this language with your brother, with your sister, or with anyone else. You should have to propose or force somebody else, please talk to me in English, if you really want to achieve something good in your life, so that you will get insight about yourself, where you are. You will have to on yourself to create a hypothesis situation. By doing this, by creating hypothesis situation, you will analyze yourself. Even you will analyze to people, how they will treat you, how they are talking to you, where you are getting stuck. So it is all about your desire. Thank you so much. Bye bye. I will meet you to my next video.